Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm doing this emergency video because right now Bitcoin is pumping like no tomorrow. Before a couple minutes we reached, guys, the highest point at $21,400. And guys, before I move on, I would like just to calm down because this is not the end of bear market. I don't believe that this is the end of bear market, and I have lots of proofs to tell you about why I believe that this is the biggest trap that happened in the bear market. And I'm telling you this, I'm the guy who also predicted the three previous huge traps that happened here, and I saved lots of money, those who follow me. Of course, I'm not financial advisor, guys, but I'm gonna give you big proofs to show you that this is not the end of the bear market and you should chill out and watch the things from out zoom. So guys, if you would like to move on this video and explain you what I mean deeply, you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before I jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you're supporting me so much to continue this journey with a very simple process: daily likes, daily comments, a share with friends. Guys, it's all I need. That helped me a lot and I appreciate it for this help from the bottom of my heart. Big thank you to all of you guys. Let's start straight, guys, to the daily time frame to start our analysis. As you can clearly see here, guys, previously I would like just to start with these previous big traps. If you remember these traps, we had the first big bull trap, guys, happened at $25,000. I was one of a few guys on the whole YouTube that was telling you that this is a huge bull trap and we're gonna get back and actually we're gonna reach a lower low price for the Bitcoin. And those who remember these words, I was always telling you in every video that we're gonna reach first a lower low and then gonna build a bullish territory afterwards. And look what happened afterwards. Then when I was telling you these things, guys, everyone on YouTube, and I mean some viewers, not subscribers, not some viewers, were calling me crazy. And look what happened afterwards. Boom, we formed a low price for the Bitcoin in a daily time frame, and then they were coming back to tell me, Chris, you were right. Afterwards we saw this rejection on this area, and then when we saw this another pump to the price, I also told you that this is a trap. And then subsequently we had this big trap at $21,000, and then we had the FTX crash and we moved with a new bottom and etc. So guys, here you can clearly understand that we have another big situation, because from fundamental side we are still very bearish. And do not forget, guys, that I also predicted this kind of pump at the $70,200. Of course, I have to admit that the whale manipulation is something that you cannot predict. Okay, I told you, if you remember, after this downtrend movement in this area, 1 hour time frame, we had a downtrend movement, and I was telling you that this here we're gonna have a breakout, and this breakout is gonna lead us to a small slightly pump to the upside, which is gonna be temporary. You can go and confirm my words, guys. It's exactly these words, and I gave you my maximum price target was exactly this area, $17,250. And I told you guys that if we're gonna reach there, we're gonna get in a crazy overbought position, and afterwards we're gonna see a trend reversal. It was exactly my words. But look what happened. We reached here, we retest this resistance area, we came back to the downside, then we had another pump. Let me zoom in because your eyes gonna bleed out. We saw this rejection, we saw another pump to the price, and we were testing this resistance while I was doing a video, and I was telling you that because of this kind of retest, we were forming here an ascending broadening wedge, which is very bearish pattern, and all I was expecting was to see a rejection to this support area, to retesting and move to the downside. As we supposed to get. Okay, and look what happened afterwards. We start moving to the downside beautifully as we supposed to move, and then suddenly the whales jump into the market and start pumping like no tomorrow. Of course, the first pump happened by the big whales, and then the other pump happened because the CPI inflation data which reported the 6.5%, which was very acceptable. I also told you the scenario that if you're gonna see 6.5, 6.4, 6.3, 6.2 until 6.1, we're gonna have imminent pump to the price of Bitcoin, which is gonna be very temporarily, and then we're gonna move again with a trend reversal. But look, these guys, the pump had continued like crazy. And if you ask me, Chris, how high we can go, guys, I believe we have a potential scenario to go up to $25,000 if the whales would like to wreck you so badly. It's whales game. Okay, here there isn't enough money from big investors who right now jump into this biggest financial crisis in the world, in the century, to jump a crazy amount of money to invest in crypto. Not even on crypto, in the world markets, stock markets, real estate. Nobody is ready yet to jump a cash into assets. Okay, we need to see first the recession, first the maximum pain, and then all the money gonna jump into the markets. You should understand this from fundamentals. And Jeremy Powell's speeches, actually he prepared us that the worst things are about to come in Q1 and Q2, so you can completely understand that we have even more months ahead of us. We have 4 to 5 months ahead of us. So this kind of pump, guys, is absolutely nothing. Okay, it's absolutely nothing. You should understand this if you would like to don't wreck out badly. Because if you open here long position and you have the perspective that we're gonna get to 30k, 40k, $1,000, you're gonna see a trend reversal afterwards, and you're gonna lose the ability to buy even lower. So that's why always I'm telling you to avoid the trades. Avoid the trades, especially if you're intermediate or even a beginner trader. The best thing you have to do is DCA. I'm telling you always in every video to do DCA. Okay, of course, whatever you listen to my video is not financial advice. It's just from my experience that I had on the crypto market, and especially on this investing trading game for lots of years under my hands. So that's why I'm telling you this for my experience, that DCA is the best thing you have to do. Because right now, if you were bought on all this area and Bitcoin is pumping, you have profit. Very simply, if Bitcoin is gonna drop under $14,000, guys, you're gonna still buying here. And when we actually gonna start moving to the upside forever, and we won't get back to those very, very cheap prices, you're gonna get all the crazy wealth return back. So simple. And guys, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. I talked to you general some things that you should pay attention on this crazy pump that happened. We can get up to 25k, 24k, $1,000, because it was the resistance of if you look here, the charts are so messy, but it is what it is. Guys, we can get up here $25,000, which was the previous height of this bear market. And if we check the RSI before I close the video really fast, you're gonna see that right now we're standing at 89 RSI points, which is absolutely insane. The last time that we have such a number like that was the January 2021, when we actually pumped the price of the Bitcoin from $15,000 up to $42,000. And right now, guys, we pumped the price for $15,000 up to $20,000. You can clearly understand, for me, this is clear bull trap, fake pump. Okay, that's all. See you guys tomorrow with a fresh update. Until tomorrow, your boy Chris out. Bye.